In this video, I will guide you on how to fix enable photo access problem in Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app. Here, if you see the message that says enable photo access, add your camera roll to personalize your memories, then you simply want to tap on the enable or allow option. This allows Snapchat to access your photos and videos. After granting access, you can select individual photos or videos to import into Snapchat memories. They won't be sent to anyone automatically, they'll only be added to your memories and you can choose whether to share them later. If you want Snapchat to access all of your photos and videos but it's not working, you want to manage or change the settings. For that, open your device settings and go to apps, or you can long press on the Snapchat app, then tap on this app info icon. This should directly take you to app settings. Now find the option of permissions, select that. Here open camera, make sure that you have allowed it. Next you want to open photos and videos, select that. Make sure you have selected always allow all. So if it is set to allow limited access or don't allow, set this to always allow all. Now open the Snapchat app and check your memories again. You should now be able to access all of your photos and videos without any issues. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.